Welcome friends to Educare 247. Today we are going to do a complete in-depth analysis for TISNET. Alright, I've tried to take past 6 years analysis. This will help you to prepare well for your examination because you will have a knowledge about what topics are important for TIS and what are not. Alright, it is the most comprehensive and in-depth analysis for TISNET examination. As we all know, TIS is one of the most premier HR institution in the country. Thousands and thousands of aspirants, they want to get into tests every year, and I see a lot of students scrambling up about their preparation. They do not have a proper direction, they do not know what is the exact syllabus, they do not have the analysis for the previous year's paper. So that is why, well before you could start your preparation for tests, I am going to give you an in-depth analysis about the past 6 years. All right, before we move ahead, please have a look at Educare 247's website where you will find the flagship IFT course that has been newly launched. Apart from that, you will find CAT Booster course, Verbal Ability course, Quantitative Aptitude course and DILR course. Alright, you can go to the website, you can see the current affairs, it's available for free. You can explore the courses and all the silent features of various courses that are available. We are soon going to launch a TISNET course, right? We've got experts working on the general knowledge, static GK and all that business awareness questions that do come in TIS. And we are preparing a full comprehensive course for TIS. This course will take care of everything. So I'll announce it in due time. Let's first see the analysis of TIS. Alright, that is very important. I want you to be aware about what happened in the past few papers of TIS. Before we begin this, I would like to give you some information about TISNET. Alright, so this is basically about TIS. 4 campuses are there. Alright, one is in Mumbai, Tuljapur, Guwahati and Hyderabad. These are the main 4 campuses. About 52-degree programs are associated with this 4 campuses. Alright, candidates can apply for maximum 3 programs. The form that you will have, that is TISNET, you can apply for 3 programs. TISMAT has been introduced for flagship courses from the last year, that is 2020. Alright, scores of TISNET and TISMAT to be considered for selection process. GK is the make or break section. Alright, I am already giving you a very important clue. GK is the make or break section for TIS. Highest package 30.33 lakhs per annum. This is offered on campus. 2019 placement report. Median salary of 20.05, average salary of 20.06 and total PPO offers on the campus were 22, which is very good. Alright, let's have a look at TISNET analysis. So I'm giving you this analysis for year 2020. Alright, this is the latest one. This exam happened on 4th of Jan. Alright, 2020 from 2 p.m. to 3:40 p.m. That is, the exam is of 100 minutes, 100 questions. Alright, and there's no sectional timing. So section 1 consists of English proficiency. Mathematical reasoning and logical reasoning forms your section 2 and section 3 forms your general awareness. Alright, so here you had 30 questions, here you had 30 questions and here you had 40 questions. You can see how important is general awareness, right? And the one important thing about general awareness is you either know the answer or you do not know the answer, right? You can mark it within seconds. So you can literally finish these 40 questions within, let's say, 2 minutes or so. So you have other 97 to 98 minutes to solve these 60 questions, which are fairly, I can say without any doubt, were easy in nature. Alright, so if you have covered this thing very well in TISNET, you are in a very strong position. Alright, then we had TISMAT. Alright, this was newly introduced in 2020. Alright, it was a 30-minute test with 45 questions. Alright, and what was the distribution of 45? Comprehension 15, management and data interpretation 15, business awareness 15. Alright, these were the 3 sections of this TISMAT. This was conducted for 30 minutes and it was for 45 marks. Alright, so after you were done with this examination was conducted. Now what I've done is I've taken section wise analysis for TISNET 2020. Alright, so you can see this first one, that is English proficiency. Alright, this was section 1 of TISNET. So there were 2 RC passages consisting of 10 questions. out of which 7 were easy and 3 were medium. So easy means E, medium, alright, will be denoted by M. So you can note down this table. Fill in the blanks were 7 questions of easy nature, alright. So fill in the blanks by fill in the blanks over here, I mean vocabulary, spelling and grammar. Grammar, mark the error. There were 3 questions of easy nature. Synonym, antonyms, you can see 4. Odd man out, parajumble, critical reasoning and logical reasoning, simple arrangement, only 2 questions. Next section is the cons, that is mathematical reasoning and DI. Alright, this came for another 30 questions. Okay, so numbers chapter had 2 questions. Arithmetic was dominated 7, algebra 5, geometry 6, modern maths 3. DI, pie chart came for 3 questions and DI table came for 4 questions. You can see the nature of them. Only one question was difficult, which was from modern mathematics. Alright, please note this down. These are the ultimate topics that do come from year to year in TISNET, and most of them were easy in nature. It's just that you have to prepare these topics first if you are targeting TIS seriously. Now we are going to do in-depth analysis for TISMAT. Passage 1 was of 8 questions, easy nature. Passage 2 was of 7 questions, easy nature. So total 15 questions came in comprehension. Alright. Second section was for this management and DI. Alright. So here you had 5 questions for pie chart, double pie chart, 5 questions, histogram, 5 questions. This was of medium nature. Alright. Again, quite doable. And apart from that, there was a third section, alright, which was business awareness. The business awareness paper was moderate. This section also comprised of 15 questions. About 6 to 8 questions were difficult. Rest others were quite doable. A score of 6 would have been good benchmark. Alright, attempting all GA questions would not have taken more than 4 to 5 minutes, say, maximum. So basically it was a very easy section to manage. Alright, the third section of TISMAT, which was business awareness. Now, since we are doing a 6-year analysis of TIS, I wanted to note this down. Alright, this is exactly how the papers came for the last 5 years. Alright, from 15 to 19, because 20 I've already taken your analysis. So I would not take you through each and everything. You have to note it down. You have to take a screenshot. RC for 10, FIB means fill in the blanks, spot the error. Vocabulary. Vocabulary includes the synonym, antonym, word analogy and all that stuff. Odd word, alright. So they'll give you 5 words or 4 words and you'll have to select which one is the odd man out. Parajumbles and CR. All the critical reasoning questions that have predominantly come in TIS are on conclusion statements. Alright. Again, RC, FIB, fill in the blanks, vocab, error, grammar. Alright, grammar was spot the error types. Alright, so you can do such detailed analysis from 15 to 19. I have presented to you everything after a lot of research and going through all the papers. Let us move on to the other section now. So usually, except last year, the paper used to be mathematics, aptitude, DI and LR into one thing. Alright. In 2020, they changed it a bit. So for 19, you can see numbers was 5, algebra was 3, arithmetic was 5, modern maths, which is MM, was 4, series 2, trigonometry and DI. Alright. Everything has been mentioned. You have to just write it down on a table and you have to study all these topics because these are predominantly repeated again and again. So you see numbers, alright, number everywhere. And you can see along the years, the questions on LR is going on reducing. In 2020, it was the least. Alright, so cons you have to prepare quite well and these are the topics that you should prepare. DI have been coming across the topics like spider graph, line graph, alright, pie charts, bar graph. They have tested you on everything. Alright, that is throughout from 2015 to 19 and 20. Alright, please note this table down, very important for your preparation. So from this, I have concluded my analysis and I want you guys to be aware that for English and for QA, what you should prepare. Alright, this will include everything. Alright, LR and DI will be included in this section only. Alright, I'm not going to take them different. So vocabulary is very important. Alright, for this, if you want to crack this, your vocabulary should be very important. It will help you in the fill in the blank question as well as independent vocabulary questions. Prepare idioms, quite frequently repeated, and grammar. Alright, subject verb agreement, spot the error, tenses, all these things you have to prepare. Direct, indirect speech. Cons, as you have seen, numbers repeated quite frequently. Arithmetic forms the major part and algebra, all right, DI. You have to be perfect in these things, modern maths. All right, geometry, it's okay. 2 or 3 questions come. I think you will be able to do this because the overall level of both of this section is easy. All right, hardly 2 or 3 questions are difficult. The main trouble is the general awareness, where you will be asked questions across the domain and you have to be prepared for this. And that is why we have launched our current affairs on our website to help aspirants to prepare for such exams. Apart from that, the course that we are going to launch for tests independently, we have prepared it after a very keen analysis of last 6 to 7 years of tests. And trust me, it will be a segregated proportion of GK that has come in TIS exam. So like on dance form, there are questions. We have included dance forms of India, languages, what commission set up, what education reforms came in, all right, all those important topics that have come in TIS, and we feel that these are important for TIS. We have definitely included it, including static, current, and everything. So be glued to our channel. We'll be soon declaring the course. All right. So that's it, guys. I've given you a very good analysis for TIS. I hope it helps you. Please note it down and prepare the topics accordingly. We have to go from preparation to selection as we launch our TIS course on public demand. You are going to join us, and then those who are going to join us, we are going to be there for the preparation to their selection. That is the next rounds of TIS, that is the PIT or PI as they usually call it. Trust me, it's not easy, and we have designed our custom made course according to the previous year's TIS, and it is quite accurate. All right. So that's it in this video. I hope you have gained a lot of knowledge about TIS, and now you'll have a clear mindset about how to start or prepare for TIS even if you're going wrong. If you want me to solve TIS papers of last few years, please comment down below this video and I'll do that for you. Alright, thank you and happy learning.